I think women are definitely underrepresented in science fields right now. I mean, obviously we're not making as much money, but there is definitely a bigger male presence right now. So by seeing women in science, they're creating a precedence for other women in society. They're saying, I can do this field, so you can really try to do anything you want, basically.
For me, one of the most rewarding aspects is just seeing how enthusiastic the girls get. They're ready to get here and get started in the morning, and they work really hard for the next few hours.
I don't know about the other groups, but this one was really fun. I was really surprised because I wanted biology because I'm really good at biology, but instead I got like computer science, chemistry, and it's really awesome.
So in our experiment, we work with bacteria, and we entered these things called plasmids into the bacteria, which basically introduce different kinds of DNA. So what these plasmids did was make our bacteria antibiotic resistant, and then we basically grew them in little petri dishes full of nutrition for the bacteria to grow, and then we enabled them to grow for a period of time. We checked back in about 2 weeks or so, and we wanted to see how they did. So basically we introduced new characteristics for the bacteria, and we wanted to see if by adding new DNA we would be able to create different characteristics for these bacteria, and it did work, so that was interesting.
I really think that it helps women move into science if they can start early in high school. And so it's really wonderful that Scripps has this kind of program to give students the opportunity to start this early.
You know, there's a sort of part of science that sort of people get hooked on it, right? Like I know I did definitely, like when I started doing scientific research, the first time I took on a question that I had no idea to, I found that really exciting. And that was a huge moment for me in that sort of process of learning to become a scientist. And I hope at least one of the students has that sort of experience where they get really excited about the idea of an open-ended question.
You explore a lot of stuff you didn't know before, such as I didn't know about like this. I wasn't really interested in the human body or like cardiovascular elements, but now I'm more into it, and you learn a lot from working with professors and other people who want to learn.
I hope the students will take two things. One, learn the aspects of the experiment itself, learn about DNA and recombinant DNA technology, and about bacteria and what we can do with them, so the experimental part. But also I'm hoping to actually get the idea that they are running experiments as senior level students run here. I actually taught similar experiments for senior level students in the lab, so they're running similar experiments, they can do it, and also hopefully inspire them to actually pursue science. This is possible, it's fun, and just it sounds scary and sounds difficult, but anybody can do it, anybody.